The display of this smartphone is 6.7-inch LTPO3 AMOLED and the refresh rate of 120 Hz Dolby Vision HDR10+. The screen-to-body ratio of the display of this smartphone is 89.7%. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of this smartphone 1440 by 3216 pixel. The PPI density of the display of this smartphone 526, always on display. The operating system of this smartphone Android 13 OS Oxygen 13 international version and the ColorOS 13.5 China version. The chipset of this smartphone Qualcomm SM8515 Snapdragon 8 Generation 24nm. The CPU Octa-core and the GPU Adreno 740. Now I am telling about the memory of this smartphone. Card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type and the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera are triple camera. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone Hasselblad Color Calibration, dual LED flash HDR and panorama. The video of the main camera of this smartphone 8K into 24 fps, 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30, 60, 240 fps, Auto-HDR, gyro-EIS. Now I am telling about the selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps, gyro-EIS. The sound of this smartphone loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. The connectivity of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.3 to DPLE. NFC is available but the FM radio is not available of this smartphone. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. The battery of this smartphone 5000 non-removable battery. 10W wired. The 5G technology are available of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the SIM of this smartphone, single SIM or dual SIM. The line data was announced of this smartphone for January 2023. There are a different price are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.